Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March for all the Sagittarius ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Sun controls your ninth house. And right now, Sun is moving. In your third house in the sign of Aquarius, your third house Lord Saturn is already moving. Ninth house is with your father, your teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your DNA is represented by ninth house, your teachers, mentor, advisor, your guider, your second marriage, your long distance travel, your religious matters is also seen from ninth house, and religious concepts are also seen from ninth house. So right now your ninth house Lord is moving in your third house. Third house is with your younger brothers, sisters, cousins, neighbors, childhood friend is seen from third house. Your communication and communication abilities are also seen from third house. Your hardworking ability to do hard work is also seen from third house. Hence, your hand skills is also seen from third house. So right now, your ninth house Lord is moving in your third house, and Sun will stay in your third house till 14th of March. After 14th of March, Sun will move from your third house to fourth house in the sign of Pisces. Till 14th of March, we can expect great result regarding your ninth house related matter, regarding your love related matter, regarding your higher education related matter, if you are doing some type of higher education in your life. Also, we can expect due to presence of Sun in third house, and from some third house, Sun is also expecting its own house, your ninth house. That's why we can expect you will definitely get a great result regarding your religious activities. You will also incline towards your religious activities. Also, if you are want to travel somewhere in the month of March, especially till 14th of March, a short distance travel indicated in your chart due to presence of Sun in your third house. Short distance travel is also seen from third house. After 14th of March, when your ninth house Lord will be moving in your fourth house, and already Rahu is moving in your fourth house. So fourth house represents your homeland, your property, your vehicle, your comfort in life is seen from fourth house. Your mother's relationship seen from fourth house. How much convenience do you have in your life is also seen from fourth house. So after 14th of March, when your ninth house Lord will be moving in your fourth house, then we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter. If you want to travel some foreign land in the month of March due to presence of Rahu in your fourth house, and after 14th of March, your ninth house Lord, which represent your long distance travel, will also be moving in your fourth house. Also, you may get some type of disturbance regarding your home, properties, vehicles, and emotions related matter due to presence of Rahu in your fourth house. But after 14th of March, when your ninth house Lord will be joining Rahu in your fourth house, then we can expect you will face some type of stability regarding all of your fourth house related matter. So we can expect these result function for all the Sagittarius and people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Sagittarius and people, Mercury controls your 10th house and your 7th house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your third house in the sign of Aquarius. Mercury will stay in your third house till 8th of March. After 8th March, Mercury will move from your third house to fourth house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. 10th house will be your work environment is seen from 10th house, your bosses, your superior, your advisor is also seen from 10th house, how much fame you will have in your life is seen from 10th house, how good you are in your work is also seen from 10th house, how far you can go in your career, occupation, business, and how much fame you will have in your life is also seen from 10th house. Seventh house will be your marriage, your opposite partner means your spouse is seen from seventh house, your relationship in journal is seen from seventh house, your business partnerships also seen from seventh house, your commitment, your legal binding, your agreemented thing is also seen from seventh house. How you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from seventh house, and your fame along with 10th house is also presented by seventh house. So right now, your 7th house and 10th house Lord is moving in your third house in the sign of Aquarius. And Mercury till 8 March, we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your efforts related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your relationship and marriage related matter due to presence of seventh and 10th house Lord in your third house. And as we discussed previously, in Sun, second, third house represent your ability to do hard work. Also, your communication ability is also seen from third house. So we can expect you will get great result regarding your work related matter because of due to your hardworking ability. Also, We can expect you will get great result till 8th of March regarding your get-togethers, relationships, and communication related matter. After 8 March, when Mercury will move from your third house to fourth house, then we can expect great result regarding your work related matter. You were definitely facing some type of difficulties at your workplace due to presence of Ketu in your 10th house, because Ketu separate you. Ketu give you distance from the house in which Ketu is moving. So Ketu is right now moving in the house of work, in the house of career. So you may face some type of difficulty at your workplace, but after 8 March, when 10th house Lord will be moving in your 4th house, and from 4th house, Mercury will also expecting its own house. That's why we can expect great result for your work related matter, for your comfort related matter, and you will also get some type of good result regarding your work related matter after 8 March, when Mercury will move from your 3rd house to your 4th house. Also, Mercury controls your 7th house, and 7th house Lord will also be moving in your 4th house after 8 March. So you need to be take care of your relationship and your marriage related matter. You may face some type of argument, some type of ego battle with your spouse and your relationships in journal and your business partnership, because Rahu is already moving in your 4th house, and Sun will also join Rahu after 14th March, and Mercury will move from your third house to fourth house after 8 March. And Mercury generally represent communication, Sun represent ego, and both the planets will be moving in your fourth house along with Rahu. So that's why we are saying you may have to face some type of argument, communication difficulties with your spouse and business partnership and your relationship in general. So you need to be take care of these matters in your life. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Sagittarius and people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Sagittarius and people, Venus controls your 11th house and your 6th house. And right now, your 11th house and 6th house Lord is moving in your 2nd house in the sign of Capricorn, where Mars is already moving in its exalted position in the sign of Capricorn. Because whenever Mars is moving in Capricorn sign, Mars considered as in an exalted position. Sixth house will be the court case litigation, your arguments, your fights, your hidden enemies also seen from sixth house, your health issues also seen from sixth house, especially your acute health issues also seen from sixth house, your daily routine and context of your work, your loans and your debts also seen from sixth house. 11th house will be your friend circle, your professional circle, your elder brothers and sisters seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your gains in life in the form of bulk, gains of respect, gains of authority, gains of anything is also seen from 11th house. So right now your 6th house and 11th house Lord is moving in your second house, and second house represent your savings, your money matter, your family lineage, family history is also seen from second house. Your speech, your savings, your money matters also seen from second house. Your pocket, your bank account also seen from 7th house. So when your 11th house of gains Lord will moving in your second house, then we can expect great result regarding your money related matter due to presence of your 11th house of gains Lord in the house of savings. And also Mars is moving in exalted position in your second house. Mars also gives support to Venus in your second house, so you may get some type of good result till 8th of March, because Venus is present in your second house till 8th of March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your second house to third house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving. Sixth house Lord is also moving in your second house, and in second, sixth, and 10th house are always connected to your work and your earnings related matter. So when your sixth house Lord is moving in your second house, also we can expect great result regarding your work related matter and your earnings related matter at your work, because your third house is right now in a strong position. You will put a lot of effort in your work regarding your career related matter and your occupation related matter due to presence of Saturn in your third house. And also your sixth house Lord is moving in your second house till 8th of March. So till 8th of March, we can expect great result regarding your court case litigation argument. You will also get support due to presence of Mars with Venus in your second house in the month of March. After 8 March, when Venus will move from your second house to third house, then we can expect you will get great result regarding your get-togethers, communication related matter, because house of friend circle, professional circle will be moving in your third house, in the house of communication, in the house of get together, in the house of relationship, in the house of communication. So we can expect you will get great result regarding your get-togethers, communication, and your efforts related matter. Also, your sixth house Lord will be moving in your third house. So if you are dealing with some type of court case litigation, argument, hidden enemies in your life, then we can expect you will get some type of support. You will get strength to deal all of these matter in your life due to presence of Venus in your third house after 8th of March, because Saturn is already moving in your uh, third house, and Saturn will give you friends in astrology. So Saturn will give you support to your sixth house Lord in your third house So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Sagittarius ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Moon controls your 8th house, and right now Moon is moving in your first house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of March, and on the basis of 6th March, we are predicting for whole month because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. First of all, whenever Moon is moving your 6th, 8th, and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. Because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, somehow issues, problem, and difficulties are always associated with these house. And Moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any of naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem, and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Sagittarius and people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 5th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 2nd house in exalted position in the sign of Capricorn. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from 5th house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are is also seen from. Is also seen from 5th house, and your fun activities also seen from 5th house. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation seen from 12th house, your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. Your foreign settlement is also seen from 12th house. Space, sleep pattern, dreams also seen from 12th house. Ability to do donation and spirituality matter is also seen from 12th house. So right now, 12th house and 5th house Lord is moving in your 2nd house. And as we discussed previously, 2nd house deal with the family, your family history, family lineage, your money matters, your speed. So we can expect great results regarding your 5th house related matter, regarding your education if you are in education life. Also, we can expect great results regarding your love relationship if you have any sincere and single love relationship. Also, we can expect great result regarding your mental abilities because your 5th house is right now occupied by Jupiter, and Mars is taking Jupiter's energy in your 2nd house, and Mars is present at its exalted position in your 2nd house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your 5th house related matter. Also, your 12th house Lord is also moving in your 2nd house till 16th of March, because Mars will stay in your 2nd house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your 2nd house to your 3rd house. So till your 12th house Lord is moving in your 2nd house, we can expect great result if someone from your family members try to move from your birth to some different country, because house of foreign settlement Lord is moving in the house of family. Also, we can expect great result regarding your gains from foreign land due to presence of Mars in an exalted position. If you have some type of connection from foreign land, if your work is somehow connected to foreign land, or you have any connection, then we can expect great result regarding your foreign settlement related matter. And also we can expect great result regarding your savings and money related matter in the month of March, especially till 16th of March. After 16th of March, when your 12th house Lord will be moving in your 3rd house, then we can expect you may face some type of travel in your life due to presence of your 12th house Lord in your 3rd house, and both the houses are connected with your travel. Your 3rd house Lord Saturn is also moving in your 3rd house, so we can expect these are from your 12th house related matter. Also, your 5th house Lord will be moving in your 3rd house, and Saturn and Venus will be also moving in your 3rd house after 8 March, and 16 March Mars will also moving in your 3rd house. So we can expect great result regarding your communication, regarding your get together and your efforts related matter. You will also get the strength to deal with your hidden enemies, your argument fights, and all the hidden enemies in your life. So we can expect these results from Mars for all the Sagittarius and people in the month of March. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 3rd house, and Sun will stay in your 3rd house till 14th of March. After 14th of March, Sun will move from your 3rd house to your 4th house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 3rd house, and Mercury will stay in your 3rd house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your 3rd house to your 4th house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your second house in exalted position, and Mars is present in your second house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from the second house to the third house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your second house, and Venus will stay in your second house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your second house to the third house in the sign of Aquarius. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Sagittarius ascendant people ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.